Precision Secure pickup and drop-off lockers are conveniently located in Adrian, Michigan, at the corner of Treat and 223. Available at the Shortstop convenience store, the lockers are open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day of the week. On-site visits are available by appointment if you prefer to have a technician come to your home. Let's join Lillian as she goes through the process of getting her computer fixed. Situated at the front of the store, the lockers are easy to find as you walk in and turn left. After putting the computer into an available locker, fill out the form located on the clipboard and place it with your device. Punch in any 4 digits and flip the latch up, then double-check to make sure it's locked. You can use the QR code on the side of the lockers to fill out the form electronically. After dropping off your computer, you could try your luck at one of the fun games. Or take a look around the store to purchase one of many delicious snacks or tasty beverages. One of our technicians will pick up your computer, and diagnostics typically take 24 to 48 hours. Someone will reach out to you at the phone number provided on the drop-off form to discuss the details of your repair. Once completed, the computer will be dropped off at the same location in one of the lockers. An invoice to pay with a card online will be texted to the phone number provided at drop-off. The locker number, as well as the code to access it, will be sent once payment is completed. Thank you for trusting Precision with your computer or video game console repair.